Fresh Fist versus Paris FC, the match to begin now. Monori FC captain, please join us here on the technical table. Monori FC. Ryan. Monori versus FC Podorite. Get ready, your game is next. Monori versus FC Podorite. Please get set. Your game is next. Fresh Fish playing in green, and we've got Paris FC all the way from Daman playing in white. This is the first half of the match, and both the teams goalless. A lovely ball there, beautifully chested. It's getting difficult. The heat is mounting in. Too much of it, too much of summertime. Players are getting heated up. This is just the beginning of the first half between Paris FC versus Fresh Fish. Manori versus PC Podorite. Manori versus FC Podorite, please join us. Take a picture in front of the banner. Give us your lineup. And let's begin the match. Saved, what a save there, what a save. Superbly dived. Jersey number 31, the goalkeeper of Fresh Fish. It was like catching fresh fish. He caught the ball well in time and saved a 9. Superbly dived to the left. The goalkeeper of Fresh Fish. A lovely left footer, then this could be dangerous. What a kick this was. Into the net. Hit the crossbar. That was a moment. Fresh. Again, well netted. They're well netted. Goalkeeper par excellence, Fresh Fish. Doing great job there. Tall and lanky. Holding the ball well in time. On the move is a team from Daman, Parish FC. On the move is Parish FC. The total domination is Fresh Fish. A throw in this time. Very well connected. Manori FC and FC Podorite. Please come in front of the banner to take a picture. Give us your lineup. Your game is next. A lovely header there by Parish FC and still in the dangerous zone. A beautiful clearance. Ball in play. Still with intelligent play this is. Superb. Goalkeeper on the move. Making wonderful moves is the goalkeeper. Team FC put right here. Look at that. All under 16 players look like. And superb name. MX, Pandey, RDD, Yash, Matre, Soham. This is a game to watch. Young talent is always welcome. Right now you're watching Fresh Fish versus Paris FC. On the move this time, Paris. Both the teams goalless. A Jabardast kick way beyond the crossbar.
Check. On.
Yeah. So that's the end of the first half and both the team goalless. FC Podarite and Monori FC, please get set for the next game. Yeah, DJ. Thank you, DJ. All right, the second half to commence between Fresh Fish versus Paris FC. Both the team goalless. In the white is Paris FC all the way from Daman. And we've got Fresh Fish in the green. On a slow pace is the football happening out here. You're gonna have more fun in the evening when the floodlights on and the crowd mounting in. Today being a Saturday, we're expecting a huge crowd to be here. And tomorrow it's gonna be fun because Sunday is always a fun day. Absolutely right. In spite being a summertime, players have come all the way right from Kulaba, and this side it's from Daman. What a love for this game. This is a carnival, happens every year. 3 days carnival. This time we introduce under 12. Next year it could be under 16 as well. Under 15 or under 16. But this year we introduce under 12. And yesterday you saw the final between V United versus Manikpur, and Manikpur were the runners-up, and VM United winning the Under 12 Cup. First time ever organized by Jesus Art Foundation. Green and a white combination out there. Fresh face is green, and Paris, as Paris is white, they come with the white colors. Second half in progress. Both the team goalless. Too much of heat, too much of heat. Bearing the heat is the players, and both the teams goalless. Fresh Fridge trying to catch some goals, but then all in vain, and Paris FC doing the same. Over to Morrison. Morrison, your views.
That's a chance there. Oh, it's a save. Just to mention, Edward, we have started this tournament 19 years back. We had a break of 2 years because of COVID, after which we again resumed. And this is the 17th edition of the football tournament, only organized by Jesus Art Foundation. No one else in the entire Palghar does such a huge tournament. And we have teams coming across from Daman, Bombay, Kolaba. In spite of the heat wave, still players are putting so much effort. Also, we have some refreshments in the half time for the players, sponsored by all our sponsors.
Oh, that was a cracker there. Our backbone, Mr. Thomas Gracious and Willie Boy, let their souls rest in peace and let their gentle soul rest in eternal peace. They started, yeah, they are showering their blessings for us because of their thought and their ideas and their innovation. This tournament is on. It's on every year. Only 2 years due to COVID. We had a break. For the last 19 years, this is happening out here. And some of the work done by Jesus Heart Foundation is organizing medical camp, family day out for the orphanage home of Canossians, blood camp organized at St. Michael Church, Lake Canossians. We miss Mother Maria as well from Italy. Did a lot of work at Talasiri Mission, rationing, giving them games, items, books and stationaries. Picnic organized for the village boys of Manori, and lunch and spending good quality time at old age home. These are some of the wonderful gestures and wonderful things done by Jesus Heart Foundation in all these years. Looking forward for some more things to be done like this. This is all for the social cause. This organization is all for the social cause of the well-being of humankind. Right now, the match between Fresh Fish and Parish FC, both the teams goalless. Into the heat of the moment, on the move is Parish FC this time. Looking dangerous, well intercepted. There isn't any energy left to run because the ground is hot and it got showers of hot showers coming from the top. Okay, here we got Mr. Lawrence with us. Superbly goalkeeper of Fresh Fish, Mr. More, is doing a splendid job there. Almost half a dozen of saves he has done as of now. Left cut and a right cut, and this is the moment for Fresh Fish. They were close enough. On the move. Well chested, still in the danger position. Fresh Fish controlling the ball. Again we have super match happening out here. Both the team goalless. Will it be penalty shootouts? We have to wait and watch because this is in the midst of the second half. Few more minutes left for the game to get over. Manori FC and PC Pururite. I believe you all have taken your picture in front of the banners. If not, kindly do. After that, the match between V United versus OSSC. V United versus OSSC is the second match after this match. So that's the call. That's the call for penalties. Can it be More or can it be Dip? Who's going to do laurels to the team? Wait and watch. All the way from Daman is Parish FC, and catching us fresh, the fish you and I need. It's fresh fish. Mr. More to guard the net out there. So you're witnessing the penalty shootouts. First kick to be taken by Paris, and to guard the goal is fresh fish, Mr. Morey. What a save! Didn't I tell you this tall and lanky, well-built, physically fit? He's like a spring out there in the goalpost. Jersey number 3 and 1. Don't miss S. Morey doing justice to fresh fish, saving that first penalty. Now it is gonna be dip. Referee, the players are playing behind the goalpost. Tell them to move. Potter right. Don't stand there. Potter right. Okay. Yeah, that's very smoothly given inside. It was like a bedroom shot. Slowly and steadily ball going without the knowledge of the goalkeeper there. Awesome. Awesome kick, you can say. No power absolutely in that. Just a feeble touch. And leading by 1 goal is fresh fish. One all. 2-1 as of now. That was way above the crossbar. A bullet shot straight into the goal. So with that, Fresh Fish moving ahead, and Perij FC, thank you for joining us. Better luck next time. We're gonna tell you who's the promising player.